Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and opening the VPN client app or installer. Enter the server address, your username and password, and enable two-factor if required. Choose the protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, and import any provided config files. Once done, allow the client to install network drivers or TUN/TAP adapters if prompted. Make sure your device's firewall permits the VPN app and that airplane mode is off so the client can initiate the connection. You now initiate the connection and watch the client's status indicators. Once it shows connected, verify your public IP and location through a quick IP check to confirm the tunnel is active. Make sure DNS leak protection is enabled and configure split tunneling if you want some apps to bypass the VPN. If the client offers a kill switch, enable it so your traffic stops if the VPN drops. Also, test latency-sensitive apps to ensure performance meets your needs. You finish by confirming services work over the VPN and saving your preferred server and protocol. If a website still sees your real IP, clear browser cache and retry. If the connection fails, switch protocols, pick a different server, or reinstall the VPN network adapter. Make sure to check that antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the client. Temporarily disable them to test and then add exceptions. Finally, reboot your device if problems persist. This often clears hung network states and completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.